Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Mailchimp from your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Mailchimp from ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Mailchimp, here on the top right, you're going to click on this blue power button. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and click on integrations. Once you click there, go ahead and scroll down until you see the Mailchimp logo and click on view settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on this red deauthorize your account. Once you do that, you'll see a pop-up asking, are you sure you want to unlink your Mailchimp account? If so, click on OK. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have not authorized ThriveCart to access Mailchimp. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Mailchimp from ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.